Hey everyone, I'm Roxanne and welcome to my unboxing channel. Today we'll be doing January's Look Fantastic. This is $22 Canadian, no shipping. It comes from the UK. It's a really good box. It comes with the booklet on the items in the box as well as a spoiler for next month. It also comes with an Elle magazine. Alright, let's get into this and see what's in this box this month. So first thing I see is hair ties. As you can tell, I cut my hair and I'm not able to use these as much. Hopefully my daughter doesn't steal them. I will be growing out my hair and I will definitely be using them. I've never used these before, so I'm interested to try them. I usually use the Invisibobbles now. Next item I see is Swell Ultimate Protect Renew Serum. This is for the hair, I believe, yeah, after towel drying hair. Use Swell Root Complex. Apply 1 to 4 pumps of serum to mid-length and ends depending on hair length and density, which I desperately need. It smells good. My hair is really dry lately, especially with the Canadian winter. Next item I see in here is one of my favorite. I got this back in Glossy Box in 2017, I believe the July box. I love this stuff. You use this on everything. Put it on your lips before you go to bed. Put it in your hair to tame flyaways. I actually used this when I got a really bad cold right on my nose. And a couple hours after applying it, my nose felt so much better until I started blowing it again, and then I just repeat the process. But this saved my nose from getting raw and cracked. This is a must-have in my house. I really, really like this stuff. The next item I see is Banana Setting Powder from Bella Pierre. I heard this is really good for setting it under the eyes. Doesn't smell like bananas, just so you know. Another item I have here is Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer and Moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. I already have one of these and I can't wait to try it. I heard really, really good things about this. I've tried a few things from Fab, but I really like them. The last item is, of course, probably my favorite, is a black gold mask. I can't wait to try this. This looks interesting. It's a luxurious moisturizing Korean face mask with gold dust and bamboo powder to purify skin. Ooh. Like it's really, I feel like there's a lot of moisturizer in that. So that's everything in this box. I'm not sure of the prices, but I mean, most of the stuff, I believe this is full size, and obviously the good size, and as well as this. That's actually, and it feels full. Now, I know sometimes when you open this stuff up, it's not as full, but with my short hair, I should be able to get quite a few uses out of this. And the primer, it feels super full too. So I think that's a great box. I can't wait to get into it. I'll let you know how everything is. If you like my videos, please feel free to subscribe. So, yes. And any comments, just leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.